Hey guys, in this video I'll be showing you how I took the VIX50 analysis. I gave this analysis in the Telegram channel, and I just want to share it with you guys how I analyzed VIX50 in volatility 50 in a video format. So first of all, what I did, let me first erase all this. So the first thing I did was to plot my Fibonacci retracement on my chart to know the possible market structure zone. So the second thing I did was to find out my key levels in the market. So I spotted this as my key level. So as I've told you guys times without number that I use my rectangle. I don't use line to spot my key zones in the market. I use my rectangle. You can see that the first touch, second touch, the third touch. Where you see multiple touches, price have already consolidated or touch this zone, this structure zone countless time. You can see, and it has respected it. So I spotted it. I also spotted somewhere around here, but I didn't I didn't set it on my chart so as not to make my chart look noisy. So I just want a clean chart. So second of all, I move to the 1 hour time frame to draw my trend line. So as okay, all these things have not happened. Okay, price was still currently at this point, and price was at this point, at this consolidation zone. So I plotted my trend line. You can see this is the first trend line I drew. Then I did the second trend line. So I said in the Telegram channel that VIX50 is in a consolidation phase. You can see that it has been selling. Then when it gets here, it has been consolidating. You can see how it has been consolidating. So I said that okay, it has as volatility 50 has been consolidating. We should be looking for a breakout. The basic way knowledge we know is that when price comes to this trend line, we take our buy. Then when it comes up, we take our sell. Basic consolidation principle. But I said that okay, it has consolidated way too long. Okay, you can see the first touch, second touch, third touch, fourth touch, fifth touch, sixth touch. Or like okay, it has consolidated way too long, and we should be expecting a breakout out of this consolidation phase. Let me show you guys here. I said that we should be looking for a sell at the break of this trend line here. So it's a very simple basic. I'm out to let you guys know this. Sometimes you may be asking, for those asking that how did I know it will sell? Okay, the main reason why I knew that it may sell at the break of this trend line, because you may be asking that okay, how did I know to sell at the break of this trend line? Why not it break this trend line upward? Why downward? Because there's something we call the flag pattern. Okay, let me explain what flag pattern means. There are two types of flag pattern. We have the bullish flag pattern and the bearish flag pattern. This is the bullish flag pattern, and this is the bearish flag pattern. You can just like understand through this principle. So what I'm this bullish, the bullish flag pattern, when price has been buying for some time, when you see it consolidating, plot your trend line. So when you plot your trend line, you can see it bought, then consolidated. We should be looking for a buy, because this is the I don't know who made this. I don't know. This is what I know on the bullish flag pattern. I'll be using it, and it's very, very good. Just I'm not here to make this video long, just to understand the basics. So this bullish flag pattern, when it has been buying, if it consolidates for some time, we should be looking to for the buy, so as to continue this uptrend. So you can see if This for bearish flag pattern. If price has been in the downtrend and it consolidates, draw your trend line. Okay, so at the break of this, we should be looking for a sell at the break of the lower trend line. I hope you guys understand what I'm saying. So the same thing happened here. You can see that it has been selling, it has been in the downtrend, then it consolidates. Okay, let me switch to the 1 hour time frame. So you can see that it has been selling, then it consolidates. So this is the bearish flag pattern. So I know that okay, bearish flag pattern is forming, is formed sorry, at that time it was still forming. So I was like okay, I think a bearish flag pattern might form on this analysis. So that I said we should be looking for a breakout and we should be looking to sell. So if you want to take your entry, just wait, let a candle close below the trend line. Although this is not perfect, this is how I drew it. So sometimes, okay, like I said, not all setup has 100% accuracy. Okay, so take that at the back of your mind. So anytime you want to take a trade, know where you put your stop loss, know where you put your TP. So as I see, like okay, price can now sell. So when one candle close below the trend line, I knew that okay, it's time to sell. Then you can now take your entry, put stop loss some pips above this trend line. You can put your stop loss here, your entry, then your TP can be around here, or you can just be closing your TP and closing in some profits at some market structure level. Okay, so I hope you guys understand this simple analysis I just give. And if you have any question, feel free to ask in the comment section.